Hello, my YouTube friend. It's getting dark. You know why? Because it's 7:13. So let's see, I went to bed at 7 in the morning, a little bit after 7. And I had to wake up before noon because there was a Monster High drop that I wanted to get. And you know, it's one of those timed, you have to order it and it sells out in like 5 minutes. So I was able to do that, and then I went back to bed and I got up at like 6. Whew, so that's a lot of sleeping. 3, 4, 5. So I slept probably about 10 hours last night. I think I'm just catching up for the week since I had that one day I didn't sleep enough. So I feel very rested right now. It's really great, but it's also, I didn't get into the store now until 7, and we closed 15 minutes ago, and we're still open. Friday nights, we sometimes stay open, especially in the spring when it's nice. So let's go in the store. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of work. All right, I have a little collection here that was dropped off while I was sleeping from Raya. I feel bad I was sleeping. Sorry, Raya, that I was sleeping when you dropped it off. I think she called last week and I told her just to come in Friday. I didn't realize my sleep schedule would be so much later in the day. So I'm going to actually probably bring this over to my office to work on overnight, just so I can get her paid. But let's see what we got in here. It looks like a lot of cool stuff. Not in the best shape. It's kind of beat up. So it'll be, you know, lower grade, but like good old stuff. Boondock Saints, Connor McGinnis. That one is awesome. Sailor Jupiter. See, like this stuff is just, it's really beat up, but there will still be demand for it just because of how old it is. This is all like 2015, 2016, although that one's newer. 21 Pilots, Josh. Okay, and then my wife just informed me that my regular Geo wants the Sailor Moon one, so those will be pre-sold. We have Regina. I think my patron Marissa would probably want some of this stuff. Rick Grimes, she's an out-of-box collector, so that's cool. We have the Sparkle Hulk. He's kind of neat looking. I kind of like that one. We have the Joker pin. We have the Gem Thor. I actually kind of like the way these ones look. They have the fun little base. Yeah, that's a little bit better than the art series. I actually kind of like those. The Proud Family one, that one's super cool. I haven't seen that one yet. That one's neat, but it's kind of beat up. We have Nittany Lion. It's one of those college mascot ones. We have a Boba Fett keychain. We have another Boba Fett keychain. Then we have Ninja Turtle art series. That one's I don't like as much. We have another Regina for once. That's cool. Oh, this is cool. We have the DC Bombshells Hawk Girl, but the with purpose ones are pink. Oh, I would keep that one, but it's kind of beat up. Okay, we have a Fennec Shand. Okay, that's neat. Okay, we have another Turtle art series. We have another Fennec Shand. We have Sailor Moon with Luna. That one's kind of rare. We have some pins. So it looks like, I guess it's a Disney Plus series pin set. We have a Super Shredder. That's cool. We have Hot Tamales. We have Tyler from 21 Pilots. Those are cool. I haven't seen those before. I probably would have kept them if they were in better shape. Val Little from Monsters at Work. That is cool too. This is newer, I guess. I hadn't seen that before. That was the beginning of last year. Oh man, I would have kept that as well if it wasn't damaged. Murphy McManus. That's cool. Oh, another one of these pin sets. Very neat. We have a silver Bulbasaur. The kids will buy that one. That one will sell. And then a Daryl Dixon. So lots of awesome pops. Not in the best shape, but someone will want them. Okay, I have a little bag here from Geo. He trades for store credit. So, and I think he already grabbed a few things. We have Ray Gun Stewie. We have Sitting Stitch. That one's super cute. We have, oh, Pumpkin Stitch. Love that one. That one's adorable. We have a Naruto soda. Let me check to see if it's a chase. Sweet. So it's the chase one. That one's going to go into my collection. I love collecting the chases. Super cool. So he just got this one for me, I think like a week ago. He ended up having it already. Asked my wife like if he said anything. So this, I'm just going to trade him back the full credit, you know, because he got it for me. It was a mistake. And that's what I do in my store. If someone needs to trade it back for full value, I'll do that if it's something that they accidentally bought, not like something they want to get rid of months later. And then we have Zombie Kenny. That is super cool. And then we have another Naruto Soda. Let me see if that's the common. Just the common. That is super cool. I've been selling all the commons, but I kind of want to keep them. But for now, I'm going to sell them because I know I'll be able to get that one later on for about the same price. So I think I'm going to bring these over to my office overnight as well so that I can price them out and just get done because we really need the clothes. It's getting late. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick update in the shop so we can see where it's at. It's Friday night, so it has to be ready for tomorrow. And I think my wife did pick up as best as she could during the day. So let's just take a quick look. Okay, it looks like she had bagged up some of these loose figures for me to price out. I'm going to have to try to do that tomorrow somehow. I don't know what my sleep schedule will be. I have boxes of things that I need to work on. So I think it's the loose action figures and other stuff from yesterday. It's a little bit stressful because I just don't have time to do that today. So, but that's not terrible. I've been way more chaotic some Friday nights. And it's the same thing here. I have these two that I'm going to bring over to my office to price overnight. And then I just have the front I still need to clean up, which I haven't done. But I'll work on it. Okay, let's look on this side of the shop. We are relatively picked up right here. I think there's a random box or something. Oh, this is empty. Okay, so that I can go recycle. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. And then, okay, over here, this shelf is full. Hopefully we sell a lot of anime this weekend. We have a ton. Okay, over here, I have one box of more expensive stuff that we need to somehow get on the back here. So hopefully I sell enough to make room for that box. Okay, we got that case. Okay, we're a little bit overflowing here. Tomorrow it's gonna be chaotic, so maybe I'll just quickly pick it up and just put it away before the weekend so it's not too chaotic. You know, just put stuff in the boxes, which this is in here incorrectly. Okay, there we go. Put that. Yeah. Okay, that's good. We are really overstocked in the shop right now. So I'm going to slow it down, I think, for a few days from buying. I just want to see what Saturday and Sunday does. If I sell like $4,000 in those 2 days, then I can buy another big collection. If I sell like 1,000 or 2,000, then I might wait a few days and just kind of let it settle. These boxes kind of want to put down. So I'm going to work on that really quick. I think we'll spend the next couple minutes just picking that up. I still at 29 patrons that I have to work on. So I'm going to try to pull out enough pops for 5 to 10 so I can get that done overnight. I would like to be down to less than 20 before the weekend ends. I just want to catch up as best as I can, but I start getting to the point where I have people's want lists that are a lot harder to fill, so it gets a little bit harder to do. That's one reason why I'm going to shut off the Patreon mystery boxes, just because it gets to the point where there's some that just take me like 10 hours to do a $50 box. It's just not worth the time, and it just gets a little bit stressful, but I'm going to try to catch up with what I do owe now, and then hopefully I'll be done within the week. I'm hoping. My goal is 5 a day, but I've been kind of not hitting that. Try. The thing is, sometimes you guys set a high goal and try your best to hit it, and if you hit it or get past it, that's awesome. If you don't hit it, at least you tried and you get as much done as you possibly can. Okay, let me do that, clean up the store a little bit, and then I'll give you another update. Okay, so I found the pops that I needed for 5 of my patrons, so I'll be able to get 5 boxes tonight. I got the collection. I'm gonna bring those over to my office, and then over here we cleaned up the aisle a bit, just as we were looking for stuff for patrons. So this aisle is pretty clean. I think we're ready to go for the weekend. It should be pretty busy. It always is on the weekend. I just wanted to say thank you for all the wonderful comments you guys gave me on the last video. It really warmed my heart, and I really appreciate you guys. You guys rock. Okay, so it's 8:30. I think it's time to close. It's late, and I guess I just have to do something overnight, try to get some work done. But having a weird sleep schedule like this always throws things off. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.